Yo, what's up, peeps? It's Brandon Wolfler here with a vlog. And look who just came into my room. It's Little Man. Well, today's vlog is about, I don't know right now. And this pup does not know either. And I'm gonna see if Niles is home. Get him to come up here. And I just got Call of Duty Advanced Warfare Day 0. It's a pack with Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. But if it starts raining, because it's been a rainy day. If it starts raining, I'm gonna put you guys in my pocket and then run all the way up to my house. The bunny rabbit, just right there. Look how rainy it was. Okay. Well, I haven't even. Oh yeah. I guess they took up that chipmunk off the road. Good for them. It's just right there, I think. Yeah, it was right there. And look how rainy it is. Look how close to the ground it is. It's been rainy all day, so I've been stuck inside. Go stay pace. It's just a little perfection. Go get Niles and Joel. Savage Skittles or Skittle. He's in Michigan right now, so you won't see him in my vlogs lately. He's gonna be back in like 5 or 2 days. The 16th. I don't know if this is gonna be uploaded, but. Well, Niles said he was going to go to his brother's practice for swimming, and I don't know if he's here right now, so. I don't know. Oh boy. Alright, we're here. Here? Alright. Well, he's not coming out. Last time I saw him, he was in the backyard, and he came out, and there Niles is. Alright. Yes, I'm not showing it at you. I'm just going to show it at Dixie. Dixie Little Poodle.
I was trying to do a science experiment with
Alright. Can this be in the vlog?
Daniel just lost a toothpick.
How?
That will still would work.
You know, I was thinking that a hole, it would start, bleeding. But if you put the toothpicks in, it doesn't. Science.
Wait. See, it doesn't bleed. Oh.
It only bleeds with those ones, but with that hole, and when I put it in, doesn't. Saw a video on it. It was with pencils, though. So I wanted to try it.
Hey, Dixie, are you a poodle? 'Cause you're a doodle. Why can't you be a
your mom's
poodle?
at work right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So Brendan,
What?
you want to spend the night tonight?
I think I can't because I need to go to something tonight.
What?
Hey, did that trampoline just get moved to their yard?
No, they both have a trampoline.
Oh. Well, I'm just gonna jump on the trampoline without the things. See how this goes. It's spraying like crap. Alright. So this is a trampoline without stuff. Taking my shoes off. Will it work? It works a little bit, but not completely. Okay. Yeah. It's not working. I'm jumping on a broken trampoline. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. How much footprints did I make? There's one, there's two. There's a lot. We're jumping around 2 times. Okay. I'm tired. Hey, Niles. You have any ideas for a 24-hour challenge?
24 hours under a trampoline.
How are we gonna do that?
Right under there.
I have an idea.
4 hours that's
You wanna do that?
I might not,
Oh, come on. Oh, this trampoline is getting boring. And boring. Oh no, Niles!
You know that abandoned theater in town?
Yeah?
24 hours at abandoned theater.
How are we gonna get there? Wait, I'm gonna show them what.
By bike or walking? Well, by walking then, naturally.
But I can't bike.
Jumbo.
24 hours. You know any abandoned houses nearby?
No.
24 hours by train track?
No.
Okay.
24 hours on trampoline.
24 hours,
In Dixie's butthole? Okay. 24 hours in that doghouse?
that might be good.
In that doghouse?
Yep,
Yeah, it would be good.
Oh my god.
Did you explode it?
Yeah.
Ha ha. Jumbo. Jingus. Hey.
24 hours in somebody else's yard. Scared the crap out of me.
Hey, I have an idea.
Yeah.
24 hours in my
Shed?
my tiny little place you stayed in. That's a good idea. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
I'll have to
4
show.
hours by creek.
No.
A lot of outdoor ones.
Because we have nothing to think of. Let's go up to my house. Yeah. Today is a rainy day, okay? Rainy day. The rainiest day of the week. Wait, no. Yeah, today was the rainiest day of the week. In the morning it rained. 2 minutes after it stopped, it started raining again, and then it rained in the afternoon, and then it rained. Okay, I can't name all the raining. And just an hour ago, it started raining, and then it stopped. So there's like 4 times rain has started today. Come on. King. I know I'm being a weak guy right now. I'm being a weak guy right now. Okay, is Niles gonna get his stuff or what? Sandals don't take that long to get. Alright. No, I'll just go up to the house. Since there's nothing to do. Oh, it's rainbow. That's gas. Okay. There he is. There he is. Yeah. Oh my gosh, her shoes are still up there for like 2 years now. They need to get those off. Where's your flip-floppies? Oh, come on, go get it. I'll wait up at the house.
No, it's fine. What are we even going to do that requires flip-flops?
Well, you're not going in the house.
My feet aren't dirty. Why won't Joel be back?
I don't know. I'm bored.
What?
And I'm going to do something. Jump over this. There I landed. Now we gotta jump back. As soon as Niles. Okay, I'm back.
My phone is really stupid one.
What?
That would be impossible.
What?
24 hours in your mom's bedroom. You need to wake up like immediately.
Well, in a couple, I think, in the last vlogs, I checked out the fell down tree at the park.
Yeah.
By that, you can't see it, but it's back there.
Yeah.
If that gets a couple, like, 100 likes, I'll do something crazy. And maybe I'll do a better 24-hour challenge. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. I need to freaking show you. what we're gonna do. Now this is a place. It's under my house. You all know. Told you. Oh shoot! Oh, yeah, look how big that thing is.
What?
Haha. Have a good time going through that. There's a broom on it. Alright, I'll try. Yeah. Daily berries of the day. We always need daily berries of the day. Alright? Why am I doing this all the time? There's the...
I think I just discovered something.
What?
See that, vine-looking thing? What's in?
I'm trying to eat like a animal.
This fell down from that.
Like
This, that blueberry,
what the?
fell down from that. So that might mean there's like blueberries.
Hey. Or in here. We haven't did that yet. Yeah.
I said that earlier.
Now I thought of it again. Ew, what the? Look at that. That stuff.
What's that?
I don't know.
I think it's a root and up. I think that's.
Is that a bird?
No, it's not bird stuff.
It's like a bird.
No.
It's like a...
It's fungus.
Alright, don't touch it now.
I ain't gonna touch it.
Berries!
Leave that down. I'm gonna get one.
Hey, get that.
Get two.
Yeah, get those two. I need the really purple one. Hey!
Oh, which one's really purple? Oh my god, you gave me the unripe one.
Ah.
Don't be mean to the crisps. Look like it's not supposed to look green inside.
Ha! 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 Alright. So I'll call this a vlog, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you're not in the family, just gotta subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. I think they updated it and put the subscribe button to the side. If you want to be in the fam, if you want to be in the fam, just subscribe, and I'll call this a vlog. Stay savage. Peace.